Okay, I think I'm live. Let me share my screen with you all. Just check if I'm live or not. Yeah, I think I'm live. Let me share my. Okay, I think my screen is visible to every one of you. What is the question? You are given an array of integers. The task is to find the length of the longest subarray such that all the elements of the subarray are smaller than or equal to the length of the subarray. Okay, okay. Smaller than equal to. Okay, great. You can do one thing like uh, just sort the array. One thing you can do is we can simply sort the entire array, okay, and you can check what is the length of the array. Just a second. Okay. If we are going to use this technique, in which we are going to sort the array, okay. Suppose the array is something like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we sorted the array. The first element is not 3, right? So we will again check. The longest subarray is the entire array itself. Okay, so all elements of the subarray are smaller than or equal to the length of the subarray. That means if the length of the subarray is 4, it must start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. If the elements are 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 8, only 1 and 2 are going to be there. If the array elements are 1, 2, 2, 7. Yeah, I think this approach should work. Let me see again if I'm live or not. Just a second. Yeah, I am live. Let me just code the solution. Let me explain what I'm thinking, how this is going to work. Basically, I'm going to sort the entire array. Let's take a example. Let's take an example and understand this in more depth. Let's suppose the array is 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Or 1 again, 3, and 9, 4. Okay. After sorting the array, it is going to look something like 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 6. 1 is going to come 2 times. Okay. Now, after this, I'm going to check what is the size of the array, like what is the size of the answer, let's suppose, or the length of the array. So answer or length is going to be 0. Okay, first of all. And let's suppose it's 1. 1 or 1. Okay, I'll check the element. What is the value of the element? If it is equal to the length, I'm going to increase the length by 1. Okay, now the value of length is 2, and my I is going to be, first of all, it was here, now it is going to go here. Okay, again I'll increment it by 1, 3. I'll again increment it by, so 1, then 6, so 1, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the elements is going to be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I guess. Right. 6, 7, 9. So at last it is going to have 10. The value of length is going to be 10. So after this, we'll only return the value of length minus 1, whatever is going to be there. So this is the actual idea. Let me code this solution and see if it is working or not. And length is equal to 1. Okay, Sort ARR dot begin, comma ARR dot end. Now what? For auto and x ARR, simply check if x is smaller than or equal to length. Simple write length plus plus. If not, break, because there is no. mm, uh, but we can do something like, what if the elements are something like 166666? Then what? If we have 6 6, then what? Yeah, this can be the edge case. What if the elements are something like 166666? Then what we are going to do? So this approach is not going to work at that time, right? Then what we should do? Normal sorting is not going to work, right? So we need to find the window for which the array of I is the maximum, right? Okay, great. Uh, we can use something like stack to keep the array elements. Let me show what I'm trying to tell. Okay, just a second. Let me code the solution, whatever I'm trying to tell you. So uh, let's not do this. Now, what we are going to do is simple. We are going to do array in which we are going to keep the pre and next greater element and the previous greater element. Okay, so int n is equal to dot size. So vector int next it is going to be n comma n, get vector previous n comma minus 1. Great. Now what? We need to find the next data element to the right. That's it. For that we need stack. Simple. The stack is not empty. The stack is not empty. And it will of st dot top. It will of st of top is smaller than it will of. While this thing continues, next greater element is going to be st dot top is equal to I. That's it. And st dot pop. Great. Now what? Simple st dot push I. Great. Now I got this. Now what I need to do is I need to get the next data element to the left. Okay. So same thing for and now for this n minus 1 to I is greater than equal to 0. Same thing. While stack is not empty, and of is smaller than regular of st dot pop Simple. Oh, simple. Uh, 1 second. One more thing. After this, I need to, while st is not empty, st dot pop. Simple. Now, uh, now what? I need to find the maximum subarray length, right? So let's take that is equal to going to be 0, and for I is equal to 0, I is smaller than I plus plus. What I need to do is into temp is nothing but next I minus I minus 1. Okay. If temp is greater than equal to a double r of I, if this is the case, simple answer is nothing but maximum of answer from temp. Okay. Return answer. Yeah. I think it is working completely fine. Submit this code and see. Yeah. So it is working completely fine. Basically, what I did was, like, what I was doing in sorting was, I was checking the elements, right? But it is not going to work. I checked for the next data element and the left data element. As you can also think it as the next data element in the right and the next data element to the left. So in this one, what I'm doing is I'm going from left hand side to right hand side. If I'm checking that some element is like greater than it, I'm just pushing it into our answer. If it is not, then if it is not greater than the previous element, I'm just pushing that element to a stack. Okay. Same I'm doing for the like the length. So we all know the length formula for length: left minus right minus and left minus right minus. So yeah, I think that's all. More than one injection is using the primary URL. Send one stream to the primary injection URL and stream to the backup URL. I think my screen is visible to you all, right? Yeah. No, no, it is not. Yeah, now it is visible. Great.